welcome to my channel. It is that time of the year. It is Halloween. So, I have yet to get my feet completely wet doing Halloween tutorials. I did do like a little tease, a little bit, you know, I tried. Was it last Halloween? I think it was last Halloween. I did Gianna as a witch. And I did Kaylana as Elsa. I mean, that was just, you know, like dibbing and dabbing, you know, just a little tease just to see. So this is the first time I'm trying to do myself. I have prepped. Should I say prepped? Well, I have practiced 3 times. I practiced 3 times. And let's just say I'm still a little bit nervous. I've been prolonging this video forever because I'm just like, it's not going to come out right. It's not going to come out right. I don't want to do it. I give up already. And I'm like, no, don't do that. Because if you give up, then you'll never try to push yourself to do anything. So, I'm going to try again. It's either going to be good or it's either going to be a work in progress is what we're going to call it. So I'm going to try, and we're going to see together if it comes out right. If not, I mean, it can only get better from here. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and try to do this Freddy Krueger / Glam. And I'm going to just probably notate on the video somewhere what I'm doing because I got to concentrate, you know. I told you I'm scared, I'm nervous, so I gotta concentrate. So, whoo! Let's try and see where this takes us. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. My camera kept cutting off, so I just finished putting on my lash and some highlighter. I didn't even set my face, but you know, we just gonna roll with it. This is my Krueger, Freddy Krueger. Freddy Krueger was always my favorite movie, scary movie growing up. So I kind of wanted to recreate it. My battery's about to die, but this is my look, my Krueger. I tried. I hope you guys like it. Don't roast me too much, okay? It can only get better from here. It can only get better from here. I went all out for this look, or tried to at least. And I got this cute little Forever 21 shirt from Forever 21. This is what inspired me to do this look. I seen it in the store and I was like, ooh, those are Freddy Krueger colors. So I figured I'd pick it up and I would give it a go doing this look. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep coming back for more videos. Duh. Thank you. Bye. Peace.